share you the screen. Look after that. We are going to discuss our block 1. Right? Okay. This is our block 1 chapter. Block 1 first LP I am going to discuss with you. I hope it is clear. The screen share is? Yes, fine. Yeah. Look after it. Moreover about the flowers. Yes, this is the block 1, more about the flowers. Yes, flowers are the most common things you can see in our surroundings. మన సరౌండింగ్స్ లో ఎక్కువ కనిపించేది మనకి ప్లాంట్స్. ప్లాంట్స్ లో ఏం కనిపిస్తాయి? ఫ్రూట్స్, ఫ్లవర్స్, లీవ్స్ ఇవి కనిపిస్తాయి. సో టుడే we are going to learn about especially flowers. How many types of flowers are there? What is the shape of the flower? What is the size of the flower? And at which time it is going to bloom? Whether it is the morning or night, and at what season? Means some flowers will bloom only in summer season, some flowers will bloom in winter season, so that there will be some characters for flower. So we are going to learn about more about the flowers today completely, right? Yes. First point, features of flowers. What are the characters are there? How we are going to look after that? Yes, first one, flowers are usually most beautiful and attractive part of the plant. Yes, first is the first one. Flowers are usually most beautiful. If you observe the rose or any type of flower, it looks very beautiful, right? The color, the shape, because of that the flowers will attract us. మనకి చూడంగానే వాటిని పట్టుకోవాలి, వాటిని ముట్టుకోవాలి అని అనిపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది, right? We want to touch the flowers, we want to pluck the flowers. So means it is a most attractive part of your plant. If you see the flower, we are not going to pluck it, but we should pour the water and we should enjoy by looking only. మనకి ఏంటి, ఫ్లవర్ చూడంగానే మనకి దాన్ని ముట్టుకోవాలనిపించడం వల్ల మనం ఏం చేస్తాం? ప్లక్ చేస్తాం. We are going to take out from the plant. Then the attractiveness or the beautiness of the flower will go away. So we should keep the flowers like that only. We can enjoy with our eyes. Next point, flowers can be in size, shape, color and fragrance. What is the meaning of the fragrance? Can you tell me? Fragrance means smell. Okay, what is the meaning of the fragrance here? Smell. Okay, yes, మనకి కొన్ని ఫ్లవర్స్ ఒక్కొక్క ఫ్లవర్ ఒక్కొక్క స్మెల్ ఇస్తూ ఉంటుంది. So flowers, like if you take the rose, it will be the sweet smell. If you take the jasmine, it will be the sweet smell. But some of the flowers will give odd smell, like hibiscus or some of the tulasi leaves. They will be something different. Sweet smell కాకుండా కొంచెం odd smell ఇస్తూ ఉంటాయి. So what is the meaning of the fragrance here? Yes, that is smell. Yes, meaning of the fragrance is smell. Now I hope first point is clear. Next, second one we are going to discuss, that is color. Yes, flowers are in many colors. So we are going to know about how the colors will be there for flowers. Flowers have a variety of colors. Here variety means many. What is the meaning of variety? Many. Flowers are having many colors. Can you think of some white? Can we think of some white, red, yellow and pink flowers? Here they have given us some of the colors names. Like white color you can see mostly generally, red color flowers you can see, yellow color flowers and pink flowers. Not only this, you can see the blue color flowers, black color and some other colors also, because flowers are having many colors. Some of the flowers may be multicolor also, means the combination of orange and white or combination of blue and green, something like that. The flowers will be there, right? If you observe the different flowers, then you can get idea, right? Okay, some flowers are multicolored. Yes, which I have spoken previously. Multicolored means we can see in the one flower you can see the pink color, white color as well as some other red color, like that it will be many colors. That is called as multicolored. Yes, some plants may even have green flowers. Yeah, please underline this one, green flowers. Some of the plants will give us green color flowers also. Yes. Mostly who are in green color for the plant? Yes. Leaves are in green color. But some of the trees will give us green color flowers also. So that I underline that point. Yes. మనకి ఎక్కువ ప్లాంట్ చూడగానే గుర్తొచ్చేది లీవ్స్. లీవ్స్ అన్ని గ్రీన్ కలర్ లోనే ఉంటాయి. అలానే ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఏంటి కొన్ని ఫ్లవర్స్ కూడా గ్రీన్ కలర్ లో ఉంటాయని చెప్తున్నాను. Which cannot be seen easily because leaves and the flowers are in both in same color, green color. So we can't identify it is a flower or leaf. Manam identify cheyalem adi flower or leaf ani. Right? I hope it is clear, children. First characteristic, that is color. Next characteristic we are going to see size. We are going to see size. Yes. Flowers vary in size. Vary means different. Means they are in different sizes. Like some flowers will be in the small in size, some will be in big in size. So that they don't vary. Difference will be there. Flowers are in different shapes and sizes also. So now I am giving the example of dahlias and sunflowers or big flowers. If you observe the dahlias and sunflowers, sunflower is the biggest flower. When compared to the rose, sunflower is the biggest flower. When compared to the jasmine, sunflower is the biggest. Like that, only the two flowers they have given dahlias. Dahlias ante sunflower lagane untai. Manam avi eppudu prepare chestam dahlias ni edaina functions, marriages lo manaki pedtaru. Showcase flowers. Those are called as showcase flowers antam manam maximum. So those are called as dahlias. Dahlias and sunflowers are big flowers. Yes, these are the two big flowers. While jasmine and periwinkle are small flowers. Yes. Which are the two flowers very small in size? Jasmine. Jasmine ante mallepool chinnaga untayi. Next periwinkle. December poolu antam manam. Telugulo December pool antam. Periwinkle anedi December pool antaru. Avi rendu chala chinnaga untayi when compared to the remaining flowers. Yes. So we have seen the variety of shapes or vary of shapes. Like dahlias and sunflowers are big in size, and as well as jasmine and periwinkle are small in size flowers. Yes. I hope it is clear for second one. Now we are going to discuss about the third one, shape. For the shape we need lot of things. Flowers have different shapes. Here are some common shapes of flowers. Yes. Some of the flowers are in different shapes. Some will be in the bell shape, some will be in trumpet shape, some will be in funnel shape. Now we are going to discuss the shapes of flowers. Yeah, you can see here. Now it is clear. First picture you can see bell shaped flower. Yes, this is the bell shape. Yeah, bell shape you can see here. It is in the bell shape. If you observe here the blue color picture, that is in bell shape. You can see. Yes. Means the shape of the flower is in bell and the color will be mostly, those are called as blue bell flowers. If you observe from the November to December, these flowers you can get mostly in very cold climatic condition places. And suppose if you went for Himalayas or if you went for some cold regions like Ooty, there you can see mostly blue bell flowers. Bell means the shape of the flower is called as the bell. So here you can see the blue color flowers. These flowers are called as blue bell flowers. So the first shape we have discussed is bell shaped flowers. Second one we are going to discuss trumpet shaped flower. If you observe the trumpet, what is meant by trumpet? Trumpet ante enti? Yes, manaki functions lo gaani manam use chesinapudu enti musical instrument untundi. Piano antam, sorry, sound chestam kada, sannayi antam. Sannayiki enti back side vachesi chala పొడుగ్గా ఉంటుంది. బ్యాక్ సైడ్ వచ్చేసి చాలా పొడుగ్గా ఉంటుంది. ముందు వచ్చేసరికి ఏమవుతుంది, పెద్ద సర్కిల్ ఉన్నట్టు కనిపిస్తుంది. అవునా? దట్ ఈస్ ద షేప్ ఆఫ్ ద ట్రంపెట్. Because at the back side it will be like a tube form, at the front it will be open, so that the shape is trumpet form. Next one, funnel. Funnel means a hole shaped structure. ఫన్నల్ అంటే ఏంటి, ఒక సైడ్ పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది, ఒక సైడ్ లోపలికి వెళ్తున్నా కొద్ది సన్నగా అవుతుంది, దాన్ని ఫన్నల్ అంటాం. సపోజ్ వాట్ వి కాల్, ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ tabs, Srivalli raised hand. Okay, what is your doubt, ma Srivalli? Yeah, Srivalli, where are you? Unmute. Unmute, ma. Srivalli, unmute.
Ma'am, Veena ma'am.
Huh? What's your doubt? Say properly.
As muted, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, you has one.
ఇంగ్లీష్ లో ఏం చెప్పొద్దు, క్లియర్ గా అర్థమయ్యేటట్టు చెప్పు నీ డౌట్ ఏంటో.
మ్యామ్ అది వీణా మ్యామ్.
వీణానా?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
నేను ఇప్పుడు అదే చెప్పా, మ్యూజికల్ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్స్ ఇలా పొడుగ్గా ఉంటుంది, సన్నాయి అంటాం తెలుగులో, పియానో అంటే మీ ఇష్టం, మీరు ఏదైనా అనుకోండి, మ్యూజికల్ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్ షేప్ లో ఉండేదాన్ని ట్రంపెట్ షేప్ అని చెప్తున్నా నేను. ఓకే, ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? ఐ హోప్ ఇట్ ఈస్ క్లియర్, రైట్? ఓకే, ఫైన్. Yeah, children, now look after it. Now we are going to discuss funnel, means the long tubular structure, or you can say the front part is open and while you are going back it will be somewhat thin, same like a trumpet shape. The funnel both are in inverse. అంటే trumpet అంటే ఏంటి, ముందుకు వస్తుంటే కొద్ది వెడల్పు అవుతూ ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ ఫన్నల్ ఏమవుతుంది, లాస్ట్ కి వచ్చేసరికి సన్నగా అవుతుంది. రెండేంటి ఇన్వర్స్, ఒకటి పై నుంచి చూస్తే సన్నగా అనిపిస్తుంది, ఇంకోటి కింద నుంచి చూస్తే వెడల్పు అనిపిస్తుంది, అదే డిఫరెన్స్, అంతే, ఏమి లేదు ఆ రెండు ఫ్లవర్స్, both are same. One will be in the inverse position. Next one, star shaped flowers. Yes, we can see these star shaped flowers very commonly. Most of our flowers, like white color flowers, you can see in the star shape, right? Means it is having almost 6 petals, 6 to 5 petals ఉన్న అన్ని ఫ్లవర్స్ మాక్సిమం ఏ షేప్ లో ఉంటాయి, మనకి స్టార్ షేప్ లో కనిపిస్తాయి. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ట్యూబులార్ షేప్. ట్యూబులార్ మీన్స్ పైప్, నథింగ్ బట్ ట్యూబ్ అంటే ఏంటి, పైప్. సో పైప్ లాగా పొడుగ్గా ఉంటుంది, ఆ ఫ్లవర్ ఏమంటాం మనం, ట్యూబులార్ షేప్డ్ ఫ్లవర్. నౌ హౌ మెనీ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లవర్స్ we have discussed? Almost 5 types of flowers. How many types of flowers we have discussed? 5 types of flowers, like bell shaped flowers, trumpet shaped flowers, funnel shaped flowers, and star shaped and tubular shaped. This is about shape of flowers. I hope it is clear. And next we are going to discuss about the next thing, fragrance. What is the next character of the flower? Fragrance. Okay, fine. Yes, if you observe here in the picture, fragrance means smell. Fragrance and enti smell అని చెప్పాను నేను. Now look after it. Flowers have unique fragrance. What is the meaning of unique? Different. Unique అంటే ఒక్కొక్క దానికి ఒక్కొక్క పర్టికులర్ స్మెల్ ఉంటుంది. పర్టికులర్ మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద యూనిక్ ఇస్ పర్టికులర్. అంటే ఇప్పుడు రోజ్ స్మెల్ వచ్చేసి డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంటుంది, జాస్మిన్ స్మెల్ డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంటుంది, లోటస్ స్మెల్ విల్ బి డిఫరెంట్. సో దట్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ ఫ్లవర్ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ డిఫరెంట్ స్మెల్. So that it is called as the meaning unique there. Flowers have unique fragrance. Some flowers like tuberose and queen of night have a strong fragrance. Which two flowers are having the strong fragrance here? Yes, rose, tuberose and queen of night. And the queen of night have the strong fragrance. These are the two flowers which is having strong fragrance. And it will be there from morning to evening. Fragrance. ఒకసారి ఆ ఫ్లవర్ తీసుకొచ్చి మన ఇంట్లో పెడితే మనకి ఒక రోజు మొత్తం లేదా 2 days మొత్తం అలా స్మెల్ ఇస్తూనే ఉంటుంది. సో దట్ దే ఆర్ టెలింగ్ us మోస్ట్ ఫ్రాగ్రెన్స్ ఆర్ ద స్ట్రాంగ్ ఫ్రాగ్రెన్స్. ఎక్కువ సేపు వచ్చే స్మెల్ ని స్ట్రాంగ్ ఫ్రాగ్రెన్స్ అంటారు. సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్? ట్యూబ్రోజ్ అండ్ నైట్ క్వీన్ ఆఫ్ నైట్. క్వీన్ ఆఫ్ నైట్ అన్న జాస్మిన్ ఫ్లవర్ లానే ఉంటుంది క్వీన్ ఆఫ్ నైట్ అనే ఫ్లవర్. ఓకే, అండ్ ట్యూబ్రోస్ విల్ బి లైక్ టులిప్స్, ఇలా కనిపిస్తాయి మీకు ట్యూబ్రోసెస్. ఫైన్. లైక్ రోజ్ అండ్ Other flowers like rose have mild fragrance. Rose is having mild fragrance. రోజ్ ఏంటి మనం పట్టుకొని మన నోస్ దగ్గరికి తీసుకొని స్మెల్ చూస్తే మనకి స్మెల్ అర్థమవుతుంది, లేకపోతే స్మెల్ అంతా రాదు. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ టెల్లింగ్ దట్ మైల్డ్ మీన్స్ వెరీ లో, very low. Mild means, what is the meaning of mild here? Very low fragrance, very low smell. Some flowers like hibiscus do not have any fragrance. Hibiscus does not have any fragrance. Hibiscus matram elanti fragrance ante elanti smell anedi undadu. Okay. Next, can you think the flower that has unpleasant smell? Meeku edaina flower telusa unpleasant smell ante bad smell. What is the meaning of unpleasant here? Bad smell. Unpleasant means bad. Bad smell. So some of the flowers are having bad smell. So I already told you, yes, we are having one particular flower that is having rotten egg smell. Do you know that flower? Do you know that flower? Can you remember? In the last class also I have remembered you. Yes, it is our largest flower. Largest flower also. Remember and you tell me which is the largest flower, and as well as it is having different smell. Rafflesia, what is the bad smell having? Rafflesia is having the bad smell or unpleasant smell. Yes, now we are going to discuss about single or cluster. Some of the flowers will grow single. Single ante okate puvu kanipiste dani single flower anta. Cluster ante group of flowers oka daggara kanipiste manam cluster anta. So if you observe here, tulip is having ikkada okate flower meeku kanipistundi clear ga. I am circling it. Yes, for each and every stalk it is having only one flower. Oka stalk ki okate flower unte single flower antaru. Oka stalk ki many flowers oka group laga unte cluster antaru. Ikkada chuste meeku cluster kanipistundi. Right? Now we are going to discuss about single or cluster flowers. Some flowering plants like tulip have a single flower at the end of the stalk. Stalk yokka end. Stalk ante enti kaada anta. Kaada chivarlo ఉండేటప్పుడు ఒకటే ఫ్లవర్ ఉందా? చాలా ఫ్లవర్స్ ఉన్నాయా చూస్తే మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. సో ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద సింగిల్ ఫ్లవర్, ఇట్ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ ఓన్లీ వన్ స్టాక్. If it is having many flowers to one stalk, it is called as the cluster. Some of the plants like sweet william have clusters. Sweet william ane flower ki cluster undi. So the example you can see here, the sweet william flowers glow in clusters. Yes, these are the sweet william flowers. Clusters of 3 or more flowers at the end of the stalk. How many flowers will be there at the end of the stalk? Almost 3 to 5 flowers will be there for one stalk. Yes, it is clear. Now we are going to discuss flowers bloom at different times. కొన్ని flowers ఒక్కొక్క flower ఒక్కొక్క time లో bloom అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. So if you take the jasmine, it will only bloom at night time. If you take the rose, it will bloom only in the morning or something like that. So now we are going to discuss about blooming part of flowers. Yes, different parts of different flowers bloom in different seasons of the year. Okay, ఒక్కొక్క season లో ఒక్కొక్క flower పూస్తూ ఉంటుంది. Right, that we are going to discuss. Means in summer season some flowers will bloom, in winter season some flowers will bloom, monsoon season some flowers will bloom, and rainy season some flowers will bloom. So that the first sentence meaning is different flowers bloom in different seasons of year. So we are having 4 seasons. According to the season, flowers may bloom. Spring is called the season of flowers. Which season is called the mostly the blooming season? Spring. Spring season is called the season of flowers, as a lot of flowers bloom in this season. Why it is called the season of flower? because lot of the flowers will grow. ఆ స్ప్రింగ్ సీజన్ లో మాత్రం చాలా చాలా ఫ్లవర్స్ పూస్తూ ఉంటాయి. సో దే హ్యావ్ గివెన్ ఏ వర్డ్ దట్ ఈస్ సీజన్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లవర్స్. స్ప్రింగ్ సీజన్ ఇస్ ద సీజన్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లవర్స్. Next point, some flowers bloom in summer, winter and autumn as well. ఇంకా కొన్ని ఫ్లవర్స్ ఏ సీజన్ లో పూస్తాయి మనకి? సమ్మర్ సీజన్, వింటర్ సీజన్ అండ్ autumn season as well. Means almost now 4 seasons we have covered: spring, summer, winter and autumn. Yes, these are the 4 seasons. You can see different types of flowers will bloom. The Mughal gardens at the Rajpati Bhavan at spring time. ఇక్కడ ఈ పిక్చర్ లో మీకు ఏం కనిపిస్తుంది? yes, if you see here clearly, Raj Bhavan, yes, రాష్ట్రపతి భవన్ దగ్గర మీకు ఏం కనిపిస్తుంది? అక్కడ ఉన్న ఫ్లవర్స్ అన్ని స్ప్రింగ్ సీజన్ లో చాలా చాలా పూస్తాయి. సో ఇట్ విల్ లుక్ బ్యూటిఫుల్, వెరీ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్. సో దట్ దే హ్యావ్ గివెన్ దట్ పిక్చర్ ఫర్ us. Next, blooming flower tree. If this is the roadside tree, Nana, you can see most of the places. So it will bloom. There is no particular time for blooming for that. It will bloom continuously. ఈ ట్రీ ఏంటంటే మనకి ఎప్పుడైనా ఫ్లవర్స్ ఇస్తూనే ఉంటుంది. మాక్సిమం స్ప్రింగ్ సీజన్ లో ఉంటాయి, కాకపోతే అంత పర్టికులర్ ఏమి ఉండదు ఈ ఫ్లవర్స్ కి, బికాస్ దోస్ ఆర్ ఆర్నమెంటల్ ప్లాంట్స్. దే కెన్ గ్రో ఎనీ టైమ్, రైట్? One more image for you. Yeah, some flowers like jasmine and the queen of night bloom only at night. Where they are going to bloom? Yes, especially at night time. Night time. Such flowers are usually small and do not have bright colors. Yes, night time bloom chese flowers chala light colors lo untayi. So if you take the jasmine or if you take some other night queen flowers, those will be in the cream white or half white or in white color only. Or if they are mostly they are in light colors. Light colors ante chala almost it is, they will be related to, okay Varsha, I'm coming, wait. Yeah, what's your doubt, ma? Varsha, what's your doubt? I am asking.
Man, white color rose also have
Entadi?
color white లో కూడా ఉంది రోజ్ ఫ్లవర్.
రోజ్ ఫ్లవర్ వైట్ లో ఉంటది నాకు తెలుసు. ఇప్పుడు నేను అన్నా నేను లేదని. What is your doubt, Srivalli? What's your doubt, ma? Srivalli, unmute. Unmute. Okay, last point is there. We will discuss it. Then afterwards, I will talk to you each and everyone. Fine? Yes. Yeah, children. Some flowers like jasmine and the queen of night bloom only at night time. కొన్ని ఫ్లవర్స్ మనకి నైట్ టైం మాత్రమే బ్లూమ్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి, అంటే అవి నైట్ టైం మాత్రమే పూస్తాయని అర్థం. Such flowers are usually small and do not have bright colors. వాటికి బ్రైట్ కలర్స్ అనేది ఉండదు. They have strong fragrance. చాలా సేపు స్మెల్ ఇచ్చే ఫ్రాగ్రెన్స్, అంటే చాలా సేపు స్మెల్ వస్తూనే ఉంటాయి ఆ ఫ్లవర్స్. Yes, next, some flowers like morning glory bloom at sunrise and close at sunset. ఒక ఫ్లవర్ ఉంటుంది మార్నింగ్ గ్లోరీ బ్లూమ్ అని. ఆ ఫ్లవర్ ఓన్లీ మార్నింగ్ టైం మాత్రమే బ్లూమ్ చేస్తుంది, మళ్ళీ సన్సెట్ కాగానే అది కూడా క్లోజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. Now we are going to discuss our worksheet, children. Try to look after it. Don't message me or don't chat with me right now, because this is the worksheet. After that, I will ask you the questions. Yeah, okay? Yes, children. Now we are going to write the worksheet here. Who is that unmuted there? Why you have unmute? Huh? You told nothing. Then why you have unmuted? Okay, fine. Now we are going to discuss our worksheet. Look after it. Yeah. Look at the flowers and group them in any 5 ways. We have to write any 5 sentences regarding that flowers. How we are going to differentiate. Yes, now I am going to write the first one, color. I will speak to you, wait. Yellow. Color yellow will be for which of the flowers? Like D, F are there. Flowers, yellow color flowers manki B and F. White color flowers, white color flower, E and C. Yes, this is the first one. Manaki rendu same ga anpichinayi ante nenu oka first dantlo rasa. Second one, I am writing D. Now I am writing D. Okay, fine. Size. Big flowers. What is the size of the flowers? Is big. Big flowers. What are the big flowers here? B, D, and F. F. Next, small flowers we are writing. Small flowers. A and E. Right. This is about our second point. Now we are going to write our third one, means C. Fragrance. Means fragrance. What is the meaning of the fragrance? Smell. Fragrance. Fragrance flowers are D, E, F. Fragrance flowers are D, E, F. These are the three flowers which is having fragrance. Next we are going to write the fourth one. Number of petals. Number of petals. According to the number of the petals, we are going to differentiate. Number of petals. Number of petals. More for D and D. Right. This is the fourth one. Next, fifth one. Nocturnal flower, that is E. Ante nocturnal ante night time use flower ni nocturnal antaru. Okay. Nocturnal ante enti night time use flowers ni manam emantam nocturnal flowers. Yes, that is E. Now we have completed our first part. Now we are going to write our second answer. Right? How does grouping flowers help flower seller or the florist? Flowers ni group cheyadaniki florist anna flower seller anna okale. Ela differentiate chestaro antaru. Yes, now we are going to write the answer. Florist group flowers according to size, shape, fragrance, and color. They make bouquets by keeping color combination of flowers. Color combination of flowers. This is the answer for second one. I hope it is clear. Yeah. This is the S1 worksheet. Now we should write the second one also. Yes. First one is complete. I am going to clear my drawings. Now we are going to write the second worksheet. Yes, here we should write marigold time. We should write at which time marigold will bloom. If you observe that cycle, you can get the answers. Marigold from October to November. October to November, that is marigold. Next, mango. Mango flowers when they bloom? Yes, April to May. April to May. Next, third one, periwinkle. Periwinkle, January to November. Yes. Next, water lily. We are going to write our water lily. May to September. Next, chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum flower, October to November. October to November. Next, bougainvillea flower, March to November. Next, hibiscus, January to October. January to October. Jasmine flower, May to October. May to October. Yes, this is the chart of flowers. Name any two flowers that bloom in spring season. We should write any two flowers names which bloom in spring season. I am writing answer. Periwinkle, and bougainvillea. Bougainvillea. This is the answer for first one. Next, second question. Name any two flowers that bloom only in one season. B answer. We should write marigold, chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum. Right. This is our worksheet. Remaining are there, I am going to clear my drawings. Yes. The third question we are going to write. See here. My friend's birthday is in March. Which flower can I get? Yes, March lo unnata athan birthday. What flower we can use? Bougainvillea flower. Yes. Bougainvillea. Yes, bougainvillea flower we can get. Next question. Which of the above flowers bloom at night? How are they different from those for the bloom in the day? Avi days lo bloom chese vaatki night lo bloom chese unki difference enti adigaru. Yes, now we are going to write the answer. Jasmine. Jasmine blooms at night. Flowers that bloom at night are usually white, have lot of fragrance, and smaller in size, Yes, this is the answer for second one. I hope it is clear. Now we are going to write the answer for third one. Yes. Why is it bougainvillea blooms for 10 months in a year while mango blooms only for the 2 months? Bougainvillea వచ్చేసి 10 months bloom అవుతుంది కానీ mango flower వచ్చేసి only 2 months. What is the reason they are asking? Yes, different flowers need different temperatures to bloom. ఒక్కొక్క ఫ్లవర్ కి ఒక్కొక్క టైప్ ఆఫ్ టెంపరేచర్ కావాలి, అందుకోసమని కొన్ని ఫ్లవర్స్ వచ్చేసి సమ్మర్ సీజన్ లో బ్లూమ్ అయితే కొన్ని ఫ్లవర్స్ వింటర్ సీజన్ లో బ్లూమ్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. therefore they bloom at different times of the year. Yes. This is the answer for the third question, Anna. I hope it is clear. Yes, now we have completed our 2 worksheets. I'm going to clear my drawings. Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay. I hope everyone has understood the topic that is related to the flowers. Because it is a repeated topic, I'm not going to. Yes. Only one question I am going to ask you because the time is not there. Last 5 minutes time. Okay, first Revant unmute. Unmute Nana fast. Tell me any 2 flowers which bloom at morning. Morning పూసే పూలు ఏంటి? Already it is there in your textbook.
Hibiscus.
Huh?
Hibiscus.
Hibiscus? Okay, hibiscus, okay. Next. Good. You have tried it, Revant. Srivali, unmute. Unmute. Name any 2 flowers which bloom at night time. Name any 2 flowers which bloom at night time. Jasmine will bloom or rose will bloom at night?
Yes.
Jasmine pool పూస్తాయా, rose flowers పూస్తాయా morning night time లో?
Jasmine, ma'am.
Yes, right answer. Very good. Bhavish, unmute. Fast. Name any 2 flowers which are big in size. Sunflower. Dahlias. Periwinkle is the smallest flower, not the largest flower. Dahlias and sunflowers. Good answer. Varsha and Parthavi, unmute. Varsha, unmute. Tell me one small flower name. Srivali, don't do it.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am?
Name any 2 small flowers. Only నీకు తెలిసిన ఫ్లవర్స్ నేమ్స్ చెప్పు.
Hibiscus in small color, ma'am.
Small color. Hibiscus small color లో ఉండదు. Small shape లో small size కాదు hibiscus. Big size. Jasmine చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది, periwinkle చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది. Parthavi, unmute. Are you there, ma? Fine, okay. Yes, today we have discussed more about the flowers. Yes, regarding this topic, I am going to send you 2 worksheets. You should complete the 2 worksheets because this is a fast track. Already you have learned the chapter also previously. ఆ బ్లాక్ ఆల్రెడీ మీరు నేర్చుకున్నారు, మీకు ఆల్రెడీ ఎగ్జామ్ కూడా అయిపోయింది. సో దట్ యూ షుడ్ కంప్లీట్ 2 worksheets, right? I hope everyone has to complete the worksheet and send it back by the WhatsApp channel. Okay, bye. We will meet in the next class. Bye.